गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। माय नेम इज़ करीना और आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एसक्यूएल कैशिंग एंड क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान्स के बारे में, और हम डेटाबेस परफॉर्मेंस को किस तरह से ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में भी हम आज सीखेंगे। सो इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ डेटाबेसेस एफिशिएंसी इज पैरामाउंट। स्लो क्वेरीज कैन लीड टू फ्रस्ट्रेटेड यूजर्स एंड स्केलेबिलिटी bottlenecks. Fortunately, SQL caching and query execution plans offers powerful tools to dramatically improve database performance. This presentation will introduce the concepts of SQL caching and query execution plans, exploring how they work and how to leverage them for faster and more scalable databases. We will cover various caching mechanisms, delve into the intricacies of query execution plans, and provide practical tips and real-world examples to help you master SQL performance. So, what is SQL caching? तो सबसे पहले तो ये जान लेते हैं कि SQL caching होता क्या है. So SQL caching involves storing query results in memory to facilitate faster retrieval when the same query is executed again. This avoids the overhead of re-executing a query against the database. Different types of caches exist, including the query cache, stores query text and results, the results cache, and the objects cache, database object like tables or indexes. So the query cache operates on an exact match lookup basis. When a query is submitted, the cache checks if the exact same query strings exist in the store. If found, the cache results is directly implemented. बेनिफिट्स, इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं? एसक्यूएल कैशिंग के बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं? ये डेटाबेस के लोड को रिड्यूस करता है, ये रिस्पॉन्स टाइम को बढ़ाता है और ये स्केलेबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करता है. सो बाय सर्विंग रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम द कैश, fewer queries hit the database server. Cache results are served directly from memory, resulting in significantly faster response times compared to executing the query against the database. With caching, the database can handle more concurrent users with less hardware, leading to improved scalability and cost saving. For example, caching a frequently accessed product catalog query can reduce latency from 200 meters to less than 1 meter. Understanding query execution plan. Definition. A query execution plan is a roadmap that outlines how the database will execute a SQL query. It describes the steps involved in the retrieval and processing the data. Key components include table scans, index seeks, join sorts, and filters. Understanding these components is essential for interpreting the execution plan. Importance. By analyzing the query execution plans, database administrators and developers can identify performance bottlenecks and optimization opportunities, leading to a faster code. So, reading a query execution plan. Tools. Use tools like Explain, MySQL, MariaDB, ShowPlan, Explain Plan, PostgreSQL to view query execution plans. Interpreting. Learn to interpret the output by understanding cost estimates, operator types, and data access methods. Focus on the most expensive operations. Familiarize yourself with common operators like sequence scan, index scan, hash join, and merge join to understand how data is being processed. Indexing strategies. Indexing strategies for performance. So types of indexes. Explore different index types including B-tree, hash, full text, and spatial indexes, each suited for different types of queries and data. Consider query patterns, data cardinality, and write overheads when choosing the right indexes for your tables. Avoid over-indexing as it can slow down write operations. Use composite indexes to index multiple columns and support specific query patterns such as filtering by multiple columns in a where column. Rewriting queries. Rewrite queries to avoid select. Use where clause for efficiently and minimize subqueries. Simpler queries often perform better. Divide large tables into smaller, more manageable pieces using partitioning. This can improve query performance and simplify data management. Use stored procedure for pre-compiled SQL code, leading to faster execution and reduced network efficiently traffic. They use improved code. प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स में क्या है देखो, मॉनिटर करता है परफॉर्मेंस को, ऑप्टिमाइज करता है प्लान्स को, कैशिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज और स्लो करता है क्वेरी लॉग्स को. सो मॉनिटर क्वेरी परफॉर्मेंसेज यूजिंग टूल्स लाइक स्लो क्वेरी लॉग्स एंड परफॉर्मेंस एनालाइज. रेगुलरली रिव्यू एंड ऑप्टिमाइज क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान्स टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड एड्रेस bottlenecks. Case studies, real world example. Scenario 1, optimizing a slow running it optimizing a slow running reporting query using indexing and query rewriting techniques, implementing a caching layer to reduce database load for a high traffic e-commerce site. For both scenarios, demonstrate before and after performance improvements such as reduced query execution time and decreased database load. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच.